In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your name here in Rocket League no matter what platform you're playing on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Rocket League uses your Epic Games display name for crossplay, so if you want to change your name in Rocket League itself, you have to change your Epic Games display name. So open up a web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. You could use really whatever you would like. And once you get that web browser opened up, you're going to want to navigate to epicgames.com or just search for Epic, open it up, and up in the top right, you're going to see an option to sign in. Go ahead and sign in using either your Epic Games account, your PlayStation account, your Xbox, Nintendo, whatever platform you use. And once you're logged in, click on your name up at the top right, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see account. And under the general tab, which is going to be the first settings page that it puts you on, you're going to see a display name option right here. Go ahead and just hit this little pencil icon, just like so, and just keep in mind that you can only change your display name once every 2 weeks, so make sure you do spell it correctly, but enter in your new name, confirm it, check the agreement box, and then hit continue, and your Epic name is now going to be changed. Now on PC, this is going to completely change your Rocket League name. In crossplay, other players will see your new Epic Games name, and in your Epic Friends list, your name will now appear as that new name as well. But if you are on a different platform like PlayStation or Xbox and you're having any issues, it's because you might have to change your actual PlayStation name or Xbox gamertag, for example. And you can do this just by going to your settings, users and accounts, and then you can go into the online ID section for both of those. The steps are a little bit different, but essentially just change your gamertag and you'll be good to go. The first name change is usually free. But if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.